Webflow tutorial. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go to webflow.com, click New Site, select Blank Site, name your project and click Create. Inside the designer, drag a section onto the canvas. Inside the section, add a container, then insert a div block. Drag a heading for your company name, a paragraph for the tagline, and a button labeled Learn More. In the right column, drag an image and replace it with your company logo or office photo. Below, add a new section for the About Us area. Insert a heading, paragraph with company background, and an image showing your team or workspace. Add another section for services. Use a grid layout, headings, and short descriptions for each service. Next, create a contact section with a form block, including name, email, style all text elements with brand fonts, adjust colors, margins, and spacing. Switch to tablet and mobile view. Tweak layouts for responsiveness. Add hover interactions to buttons and fade-in animation to sections. Click Publish. Choose Webflow.io subdomain or connect your custom domain. Then publish your company profile site.